TWIN BUSCH, Germany, your competent partner for lifting platforms and vehicle garage equipment with 12 branches in 7 countries. The TWS35-20E-G is an electro-hydraulic scissor lift from TWIN BUSCH with a lifting capacity of 3.5 tons. Let's take a look at the lift in action.
Hi, ich bin Chrissy.
Hi, I'm Chrissy, and I'm going to show you the TWS35-20E-G. The TWS35-20E-G is a scissor lift for above-ground installation from TWIN BUSCH with a lifting height of up to 2 meters. First, we position the optional TWS3GK80 rubber blocks and the drive-on ramps under the lift. We now switch on the lift and move it all the way up using the UP button. The rocker arm system ensures efficient lifting. The lifting capacity is up to 3,500 kilograms. The lifting platform has an IR system that enables synchronization monitoring by means of a light barrier. All important bearings can be lubricated directly from the outside via grease nipples. The lift has a lifting height of up to 2 meters, allowing you to work freely under the vehicle. A wide range of vehicle types can be lifted with the TWS35-20E-G, from off-road vehicles, vans, and sports cars to small cars. With the optional LED kit, the TWS35-20E-G is also optimally illuminated. The extendable drive-on ramps can be pulled out as far as necessary to lift longer vehicles. For low-slung vehicles, additional drive-on ramps can be used to reduce the drive-over height from 11 to 5.5 centimeters. The TWS 3Q crossbeams, on the other hand, enable vehicles with ladder frames, such as off-road vehicles or pre-war classic cars, to be lifted. visit us in one of our branches. With 12 branches in 7 countries also in your area. We offer advice and product demonstrations in our showrooms, as well as sales and technical service on-site with our service fleet. Warehouse logistics with large stock of products available for an immediate delivery. Spare parts and repair service assembly videos with step-by-step instructions, as well as constant new and further developments of our products. Everything from a single source, from lifts to tire changes and tire balances. Awarded 9 times as the best brand. TWIN BUSCH, Germany, your competent automotive garage supplier.